how to steer, cause we ain't have a lot. I still raised a little gentleman, I treat a thought. If you could see inside my stomach, you wouldn't see a knot. If you can see inside this rocket, you wouldn't speak a lot. It ain't no hiding in that crib, we knocking windows out.
What's good, YouTube? It's me, Simp IV, and yes, man, I am back on camera finally. Today's video is not gonna be like all of my other videos. Today's video is gonna be very helpful for a lot of people. You know, personally myself, I just got into stocks not too long ago. I kind of been doing it for a while. I understand how they work. I'm not one of those people that's been doing it for a long time, so I'm not gonna make it seem complicated. But y'all probably don't watch a lot of videos and it's complicated. They talk about things and you don't understand what they saying. They're just doing a whole bunch and you feel like you wasted your time with the video. Today, you're gonna find this video helpful and you're gonna become a trader today, right now, man. Let's get straight into it. But listen, before we get into this video, man, I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like, comment, share. You know, it wouldn't hurt to share because, you know, you want everybody to come up. Everybody can become traders with Simp IV. You feel me? So go ahead and do that for me. Make sure you turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss a video. I got to get active again. I finally got my phone working, so we live. Anyway, we're going to get straight into the video, man. Okay, so first of all, I use Robinhood to trade stocks. Personally, I feel like that's the best right now. You can use a lot of things like Cash App, Public. It's a lot of things that you can do to trade stocks out there. There's even stocks already on Apple devices when you... All right, so I was going to record this on the webcam, but it's going to make it a lot easier if I just do it this way. You know, it'll be easy to edit. I can get the video uploaded faster. And you can become a trader sooner, man. Let's get straight into it. All right, so this is basically what Robinhood looks like when you're in your portfolio. As you can see, the portfolio tab is right here. You have a free stocks tab, a cash tab, a messages tab, and an account tab. Your portfolio is where you can see all your active stocks. As you can see, I have 3 active stocks right here. Sorry for getting in your way. I have 3 active stocks right here. The first one is up 2.33% today. The second one is down 0.44%, and the third one is up 1.27. Okay, so what that means is I have 1 share of each stock. 1 share of PSEC will cost $6.15. So this stock has gained 2.33% of that $6.15. Make sense? And with this one, OPK, 1 share is worth $4.53 right now. This stock has lost 0.44% of 1 share. LLNW, 1 share costs $3.99. This stock has gained 1.27% of 1 share. This is an automated list of stocks that you'll be able to see when you make your account. It's pretty straightforward. You can see how stocks are moving all day. Right now, it is currently about 8 o'clock, so we are in after hours, which you can see. After hours, let me get off of that. After hours has gained 0.15% of 1 share of what I'm investing. It's $50.86 is what I'm investing. I have $36.19 worth of buying power, which is not included in this. Well, it is included, but it's not being traded right now, if that makes sense. $50.86 is invested. $36.19 is my buying power, which I can do to buy any stock that's available. I can buy any of these stocks. I can look up a stock that I might want to buy and buy that one. All right, so this is the meat of the video right here. This is where you really want to pay attention. All right, so right now I'm moving 3 stocks. I got them all for free just through sharing my link. I will put my link in the description. Make sure you guys click on that. If you haven't joined Robinhood, all you have to do is link your bank account and you will get a free stock. All right, the stock market usually opens at 9:30. See, what I like about Robinhood, they move in pre-market and they move after hours. The stock market closes at 4 p.m. The after hours, as you can see, was up and down. We're going to start at 9:30. That's when the stock market usually opens. For the ones that don't want to use Robinhood, you want to use something else, this is something you need to know. The stock market is open every weekday from 9:30 till 4 p.m. It's usually closed on holidays. Just keep that in mind. All right, at 9:30, as you can see, with everything that I have invested put together, it did pretty bad to start the day. It dropped all the way down here, almost down to 0. Then it came all the way back up, which is good, around 9:50, and it starts dropping down. Gets very low, below the dotted line. You never want to be below that dotted line. But if you're approaching the dotted line, it doesn't mean you need to panic. It doesn't mean sell your stock so you can keep as much money as possible. The stock could still go up. Don't panic if you start to get towards the dotted line. I'm going to show you how to avoid that completely here in a second. As you can see, I have 50 invested and 36 in buying power, so I don't have $36 moving in the stock market right now. So that would mean I only have $14 active right now. And today, with only having $14 being traded, I made 9 cents, made 8 so far in after hours, which is pretty good. The more money you put into stocks, the more money you will get out of it. All right, now I'm gonna show you all how to trade effectively if you want to day trade. Let's scroll down. That's just news. Let me find a stock here. Let's go ahead and jump into General Electric. Okay, General Electric has gained 0.88% today. Probably should have bought some of that. I haven't really been paying attention to the stock market lately. But I am going to show you how to trade effectively if you want to day trade. As you can see, one share of General Electric costs $11.45 right now. So, at the start of the day, whatever the price was, we can go see. It was around $11.48. So, if you had one share of General Electric, you would have had $11.48 invested. And as soon as the stock market opened, that $11.48 would begin to trade. So it moved up here. This is where you want to buy. When it's low like this, you want to buy. And when it starts to incline, when you see things like this, you cannot see it as the market is moving. You just have to play a guessing game. You just have to try to sell the stock when you think it reached this peak for the highest it'll reach maybe. This is where you want to sell the peaks like this. You'll be able to see this once you start trading, and you can see the whole stock across your screen after a day if you want to hold first to see how they move or things of that nature. So you want to sell when it's this high. Then when it drops again, you want to wait till it gets back to where you more than likely where you bought it the first time. And you want to buy again. And some stocks will, move higher than what this is right here. And they can keep fluctuating, just up and down, up and down. But the trick is you want to buy when they're low, sell when they're high. That's how you make money day trading. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's really not a whole lot to it. You just have to start doing it, get used to it, know what stocks to invest into, know what stocks to stay away from. Some do good some days, some do bad other days. If you really want to trade, then you'll put the time into it, you'll put the money into it. And if you do it effectively, you will see results. The more money you put in, the more money you get out. If you're working 9 to 5 and you want to put a little bit in every paycheck, that's all right. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. So you'll have more buying power so you can buy more expensive stocks. And more expensive stocks will bring you a bigger yield because, of course, they cost more. If they go up to a certain percentage, that day you'll get that percentage of what one share costs. So just keep that in mind. You can get multiple shares. It depends on the share price. And that's another thing that I forgot to mention. The share price will be in white. Beside the stock, as you can see, Snap costs $50. One share of Apple costs $128. One share of Twitter costs $46. Tesla, big car company, one share costs $843. This stock is up 2% today. Let's just look at this. Let's just look at this. 2%. Stock is up 2%. One share costs $843. So if you just had one share of Tesla today alone, you would have made $18. $18. The stock market is open every weekday. And you might say, oh, I don't just have $800 to put into Tesla. That's why I said you build your way up to that $800. Stocks take time if you don't have the money right away to put into it. yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot from the video. I hope you want to become a trader. I will put my link in the description. It'll get you a free stock. It'll get me a free stock, and we can trade together. You know what I'm saying? If you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram. That link will be in the description as well. Go ahead and follow me. Ask me anything you want about stocks. I'll probably have the answer. Come to me now. I'll answer back. It's not like I'm Instagram famous. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, if you haven't already, go ahead and leave a like on the video. Please subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss a video. I will be coming back with the public interviews. Be ready. I'm out.
When all of my sweet roll turn black, ooh, having problems with mom, so I think she hated everything I do, ayy. You scared to jump in that fire, that's what I do it for you.